Alright, welcome back. In this video, we're going to go ahead and create another app. And this app is going to be called Temperature Converter. It's going to allow users to enter, let's say, 35 or 45 degrees and convert it into Celsius or Fahrenheit. And so here's how it's going to look. We're going to have a temp converter here at the top. It's going to be the title of our app. And then at the bottom, we're going to have an edit text where users can then enter their values, the temperature values to be converted. And then at the bottom, I'm going to have the C, which stands for Celsius button. So when they click on this one here, it's going to show at the bottom here converted to Celsius. And if they click Fahrenheit, then it's going to give us the Fahrenheit value. All right, that's it. So let's get to it. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and create our new project. So new project, I'm going to call it temp converter. Temp converter here. And next, that's fine. Next, going to have one activity. And that's all good, and keep next, and we should be creating now our new project. Alright, our project has been created, and so let's start by deleting this hello world text here. So right click and delete. Great. So in this video we're going to just focus on creating the UI, the user interface component of the app. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to have here a little title at the top. So it's going to be a plain text. Let's make it large. Put it here at the top. Let's see, there it is. That's great there. And if we go to text, you can see again that it has created it. And let's go to our values, strings. I'm going to call this string. Name is equal to, we're going to call title name. We're going to call this temp converter. Save. While we're here, let's go ahead and create other strings here that we're going to use throughout this app. So the first one is going to be placeholder, the hint for our edit text where users are going to be able to enter the values to convert. We're going to call temp hint text. I'm going to say enter temperature. Next one is going to be string name. It's going to be the Celsius button, so we're going to call it Celsius button title. It's going to just put a C. And next one is going to be string name. We're going to, this is for Fahrenheit, so we're going to say F button title. So just put an F. And I think that's about it for now. In this log back, let's go back to our activity main.xml and just reference from our strings here, our title. So it's going to be at string title name. Just hit enter and go back to the design view. Let's put then our edit text here. Let's put this one here, plain edit text. Let's go ahead and have it just about there. Perfect. Of course, you're not going to see anything now because everything is wrap content. Let's go ahead and put the hint text. So Android, just hint, add string, and we called it temp hint text. There it is. We save that. Go back here. We should see, there it go. Enter temperature. And we're going to put our Celsius button to the left, and then here we're going to have the Fahrenheit. So let's go to find and get a button. Here it is, first button here. We're going to go ahead and put it right about here. And let's get another one for right about there. Let's move a little bit there. I think that works. Okay, so now I have two buttons. The first one is going to be Celsius. So if we go here, we're going to call this, give it ID, the Celsius button ID. And while we're at, let's copy so things work perfectly here. And for this one here, we're going to call F button ID. Perfect, so now they have IDs. While we're here, let's reference our string here. So add string and then get the buttons. Let's go Celsius button title. Perfect, and for this one here, we're gonna say, I think it's F. Oh, actually, let's go add string, then F button title, save, and go back here to design, and it should change. There we go, Celsius and Fahrenheit. Perfect. Now here at the bottom, I'm gonna go ahead and have the text view, because this is where our result will be. So there we go. I think this is much better. Perfect. And there it is. So we are done with our user interface. In the next video, we're gonna go ahead and start wiring everything together so to actually create the app. Alright, see you in the next video.